Hi, welcome to Stock Takes. We're now going to go through how to pack a transfer. If we view our transfers, we can see where they're going from, where they're going to, the status of them, and the items on them. Let's look at number 13, from our store to our warehouse. Here we can see what status it's in and what we need to do next, and the items that are on it. We can add a shipment. Here we can add any shipping information and set the quantity that we're going to ship. You can also use this button at the top to automatically set all quantities shipped for all line items, and that will speed up shipping for you. You can also do this via point of sale. We support running the whole transfer process from point of sale, so you can always do every step on POS as well. Let's have a look at how that works. So if we go over to our transfer orders tile, open that, we'll be able to see all the transfers to and from our store location that we're signed in at. Select the transfer. Here we can see all the information for it. We can create a new shipment. Select the item to pack. Here you can see we can now scan using an external scanner, a hardware scanner, or Bluetooth scanner from this page, and that will start packing items. Or we can open the camera if we have a camera available to us. Or if we want to manually pack the items, we can click on it and select how many we want to pack. You'll see it tells you how many you've picked at the bottom. And once you're happy, you've picked and packed all the items, you can complete the shipment. You can then decide if it's an internal shipment, and we'll fill out some of the details for you. Or if you're shipping it using a tracking company, you can enter all that information, including the arrival date, which will display in both the Shopify admin and on the app. And then we can dispatch the shipment. You'll see now that the transfer will then move to in progress, and you'll be able to see the shipment as well. Here you can see we now have the shipment en route, and it's ready to be received.